everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a summer makeup tutorial. I know I haven't really been posting a lot of makeup tutorials. I feel like you guys just been loving reviews lately, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and add a makeup tutorial. And since it's summertime, I wanted to do a summer makeup tutorial. It is so wearable and not too heavy on the skin, very comfortable for this heat. Everything I'm using is super affordable. I love how it came out. I look so glowy, so bronzy. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hello everybody, we are back. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I kind of didn't know what I wanted to do at first when I was like, I want to film, but I didn't do any summer tutorials, so I wanted to do a summer tutorial, and then I also wanted to make it affordable as well, so everyone can recreate it. I'm going to start using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. This is super affordable. I think I got this for $12 and at Ulta. And yeah, I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade right here, just because it's summer and I want something pretty and fun. And yeah, so I'm only going to be using this palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So we're going to start off lightly since it's hot pink. We're going to start off slowly and look how pigmented that. I like barely touched my eye. Let's get in there. When I think of summer, I think of bright colors. I think of pinks and yellows and orange. That's just me. Next, we're going to be cutting the crease. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I have a full tutorial on how to cut a crease. I have a full tutorial on how to cut your crease. How to do a cut crease. 2 very easy ways. I did that 2 days ago. I will link the video down below. So let's start. Oh, it's a lot. I could put them on both sides. I think I'm going to do my full eye this time. The previous video was half a cut crease, but it's the same thing if you want to make it full. I normally would use my Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease, but you can use any type of concealer. And then for the lid, I'm going to be taking this shade right here along with this shade. I want this look to be wearable. If you recreate it, you could wear it out. I mean, I would wear any type of color out, I don't care. But I personally think this eye look is wearable so far. Who wouldn't wear pink eyeshadow? Okay, so I'm going to take that first shade that I just said. Okay, and then I'm picking up that second shade, which is a little bit pretty much the same color, just a little darker, a little bronzier. And I'm going to apply that on the other half. So it should look like this right now. It's like 2 separate colors. It's not blended yet. We're going to take another shade and blend them together. I'm going to take this shade right here and apply that right in the center of both of those colors. I'm going to take this white, the whitest shade in here, and just apply that here. Okay, so we're gonna take a pause on the eyes and move on to the face. So for the face, I'm going to prime my face with this Kiss New York mattifying primer. I like this just for my pores, because it is summer, so I want to look a little glowy. So I'm only applying this right where my pores are bad. And then I'm going to go in with something else. Because this is very matte. It's just very drying too. This CoverGirl Go Glow Illuminator. And I'm going to put that all over my face. And I'm going to take a brush and blend that everywhere. Since I've used this before, but I never really noticed. It has a weird smell. So good though. Look how glowy I look. Sometimes I'll wear this by itself with maybe some concealer. For foundation, we're going to be using the L'Oreal True Match. I have this in W5. I hope it's a good shade. I'm a little tan. And since I'm really trying to make it affordable, I'm using the L'Oreal Beauty Blender. This could be a little darker, but add some bronzer, so it's fine. I love this sponge. It's so soft and it blends so nicely, just like a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this stuff. And we're only going to put little. It's summertime. I really don't want heavy makeup. That's why the foundation's so light coverage also. Usually, I'll amp it up. We're just going to set everything right now using the Mario Badescu Green Water Spray. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using this Kiss Pro setting powder. And I'm just putting this everywhere else to set. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match powder in Cocoa. This is my favorite. So since my foundation is a little bit off, I am going to put bronzer everywhere first. Like I'm back in high school. Did anyone else put bronzer everywhere on your face when you were in high school? Because I did. Whoop, that looks better. Now I'm gonna be taking a generous amount and putting it here. I'm now taking the Maybelline Master Contour, and I'm going to take this contour shade and just apply very little. Oh, so that's also how you can fix a foundation if it's too light. Just put bronzer everywhere. For blush, we're going to be taking this shade right here also. I'm not a big blusher. My cheeks get pretty rosy throughout the day, so I really try not to apply a lot. Very natural. If you notice, I also like to tap on my face. Sometimes I feel like it looks nicer than wiping. And for highlights, I'll use this shade too. Let's work our ways back to our eyes. For eyeliner, we're going to be using by Pixie this white eyeliner in the shade Nude. And I love a white eyeliner during the summer because it really opens up your eyes. And then I'm not going to apply any lashes. If I was like going somewhere, I probably would apply lashes. But since this is more of like a wearable look, not everyone wears lashes every day, I'm just going to go in with some mascara. And I'm going to be taking the Pixie mascara. Oh, and Pixie is very affordable. You can get it at Target. So I went and did my brows off camera. Unfortunately, that's the only thing that I did not have that was drugstore. I mean, I haven't really tried anything where I would have liked it, and I didn't want to just go to the store and buy something just for the video and recommend something that I truly didn't use multiple times. So I've been using the Benefit My Precisely Brow. I feel like it changed my brows like for the better. I used to get so much hate on my brows in my beginning videos for some reason, because like I never really did that whole fake brow. I just feel like it didn't really look well on me. So I don't know, I just got a lot of hate on my brows in my previous videos, like, and I was just using powder at the time, so maybe it didn't look well in pictures. I don't know, but I started using the Benefit My Precisely Brow, and I feel like it really changed my brows like for the better. Like, I may even make a brow video all about my eyebrows, which I never thought I would ever do considering how much hate I always got on them. But yeah, I've been loving how they've been looking lately, and I've been using this, and I was setting it with the Benefit Brow Setter. I could have went and got a drugstore eyebrow pencil for you guys, but I wanted to use something I truly love and something that really made a difference for my eyebrows at least. So sometimes it's kind of worth splurging on something that you really think will benefit you, and that's how I feel. For lips, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Paint Lipstick. This is a mini one, but I've been loving it. It's like almost empty. I'm going to go get the full size of it. That is so wearable. It's so pretty. It's like a pink nude. Oh, for everyone that was asking, I did get a new tattoo. It is an arrow to my finger. I've always wanted a finger tattoo for some reason, and me and my friend were just on Pinterest looking up finger tattoos, and we saw this and we both like loved it. Yeah, I've been wanting a finger tattoo for like years. I don't know why. I just really wanted one. I'm going to take this Ofra highlighter, and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyebrows and my inner corner. I'm like holding this and then holding this for the mirror. And to set everything, I'm going to be using my Mario brush. And yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love how it came out. It's so glowy. It's so summery. It's also natural, I feel. Well, not natural, but looks natural. You know, there's not a lot of darkness going on in my eyes. It's really bright, really opening up my eyes, especially the white eyeliner. It's so wearable too. I mean, I always wear colors out, so if the pink is a little much for you, you can switch the pink with like a bronzy color. But I just love colors, especially in the summer. Well, who am I kidding? I wear colors in the winter too. I just love colors. I love how this came out. It's so summery. It's so pretty. It's so brightening. I look so glowy, and I was able to fix the foundation even though it was a little light since I usually wear that one in the winter. And yeah, just put bronzer. Yeah, I just really love how this came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, if you don't know yet, I have a huge giveaway going on right now. It's open for everybody. I will link it down below if you're interested in entering. And yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and give it a thumbs up if you want. I will see you all in my next video.